This is the Alphacool Corp Coolplex HF metal reservoir. Comes in multiple sizes. This is the 25 version in front of me, the 10 and the 15. They come in two different colors. Deep black is one and chrome is the other. In the unfortunate event that you have to take these apart, it's fairly simple. All you have to do is pry underneath one of the clips under the bottom half where the ridges are, and pull up, which will release the clamp from itself, and then simply slide off. Once you remove both of the clamps, you can see just by grabbing the bottom and the middle and unscrewing that it comes apart. It's always good to inspect the inside as well as the rubber O-ring that sits on both the bottom and the top of the reservoir. The top also comes off the same way. And the top also has an O-ring which is recessed into the cap. It's a good idea to check the inside tube to make sure it's clean as well. Simply grab the base and separate it by pulling it apart.